Hlathi amanzi la akama khona aphinde ame futhi nangokuhlathi kanye ke noZoleka engathi baqale enye into manje baze nenye ngapha uqhawe guys eqhumse inkulu impama lapha kumawethu embona ke ehlezi ke noLinda. Hello everyone, welcome back to Say Live Chain. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Inimba from the 2nd to the 6th of June 2025 on Monday. After 20 years, sparks fly between Zoleka and Hlathi, and they edge closer to crossing a very dangerous line. Mawethu worries about Qhawe when he sees the viral humiliating videos of her on Tuesday. Things between Hlathi and Zoleka suddenly begin to blur and the boundaries are tested. While Hlathi sees life with new eyes, Lwandle has good news for Zoleka, and Qhawe learns something upsetting about Mawethu on Wednesday. Zoleka and Hlathi's heartbreak over Qhawe's rejection leads to them to cross a line they will never be able to uncross. Zoleka, with Lwandle's help, managed to bring back a big client to Khusela on Thursday. Hlathi can't get over an intimate moment recently shared with someone. Lwandle drops a bomb on his parents. Sydney realizes Zoleka is more of a challenge than he thought on Friday. Zoleka and Hlathi get caught in a very compromising position in the worst place by the worst person. Zinhle and Likamva's passion ignites to new levels. Well guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share.